Alright guys, real quick before we get into the video, I just want to touch on two things. Number one, we are getting close to hitting milestones on Instagram and YouTube. We're almost to 20,000 followers on Instagram, and I'm close to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is huge numbers to me, and I want to pay it forward. So what we're gonna do, I've been talking with my sponsors, and we're gonna develop a bundle to give away. So first we have to hit these milestones. 80% of you that are watching these videos are not subscribed, so go ahead and hit that subscribe, and that's gonna push us right through. Share my Instagram and videos with your friends. Get them to follow and subscribe as well. We're really close. It shouldn't take much, and then from there I will release a video of the details to the giveaway. It's not gonna be complicated. You're probably gonna have to follow some people, maybe leave a comment with your username, and then we'll go from there. But like I said, close to those milestones. Let's get over those. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification. If you haven't followed me on Instagram already, follow me. Number two, we've launched some wintertime hoodies, the Bullet WS6 hoodies up here somewhere with a new design logo. We did a pre-order and it went so well that I'm gonna go ahead and open a second pre-order. If you haven't gotten your hoodie yet and you want one, send me a message on Instagram, Facebook. So those are the two things I wanted to touch on real quick. New hoodies, new merchandise coming up. And number two, your chance to win free merch. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a follow on Instagram. We're almost there. Let's get to the video. Baytown, Houston Raceway Park over here with the homie Solomon, Raymond, and what's your buddy's name? Javi, Solomon's friend, in a Fox body. We're out here at Import Face-Off. What are we doing?
I think there are like 5 muscle cars that I've seen. You, the Fox body, Raymond, and there's other Mustangs.
So we made 3 of the 5?
Yeah, I gotta make 3 of the fucking 5 people here. I'm gonna make a lot of people mad today.
Man, what are we doing?
They're like all those VA guys.
Anyways, we're out here because we just want to test. It's cheap. It's really cheap to enter in the test and tune here. So enter in the day instead of racing at night at the test and tune here Friday nights. It's a little bit rough sometimes. So we're gonna come out here. We're gonna do some testing. I'm gonna test out the shifter. Raymond's gonna. I'm not sure what Raymond's plan is. What's your plan today, Raymond? Go fast, add power. What are you trying to do today?
Yeah.
Both. Both. I'm gonna unload the car. We'll get it ready and go from there. Raymond is actually in front of me. I did tell him in the pits that I was gonna race him right off the trailer, but I'm gonna just let him go, let him do this. I don't want to mess him up. I'm gonna let him do his thing and then I'll do my thing. But that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna lay down. I'm leaving the tune alone based on what we saw in the 8th mile. I don't know if the track's prepped like it was at the 8th mile, and I don't know if the suspension will take it, but let's find out. The rest of the tune, as far as down the quarter mile, is about the same. It should hit about 28-29 pounds of boost, but we'll see. Just waiting for them to call us up and then we'll go lay down a pass. Really what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to lay down a base for a base pass for the 22nd. Coming up here on the 22nd, we are actually sponsoring a local event here in Houston, brought to you by One More Gear. If you want to look it up on Instagram, I will be posting about it here pretty soon, if not already. But yeah, we're gonna be there. We're gonna show out. We're gonna have my car. We'll have Solomon's, Raymond's, everybody. We're gonna do some grudge racing as well as have the truck out there. So if you're in Houston and you want to come out to a great show, make sure you come out to One More Gear race event, Houston, Texas, here at Baytown, Houston Raceway Park on November 22nd. We're gonna be out there all day. Come out, say hi, come hang out with us. Okay, hit number 1, not so great. I forgot to change the settings for the shifter. Since I was testing it at home, the setting was still at 3,000 RPM shift. I noticed it in the burnout. That's why the burnout was kind of ugly. Went from second to third, and at 3,000 I was like, oh crap, made a mistake. So I quickly grabbed the CO2 line and I unplugged it and just manually shifted that pass. Obviously it went okay manually shifting it. The biggest problem being that it spun out of the hole, and that may have been due to the fact that I didn't really get a good burnout in. So I dialed it down just a hair, just left it a little looser up front, and we're gonna try to do a better burnout and see if that can get us out of the hole good. I'm not sure, you know, how well a tuner event's gonna be prepped. Obviously it's not 8th mile status, but you know, it's okay out there. So we're gonna try to see if that'll get us out of the hole, and then just try to mile per hour, try to get the ET down and focus on making sure that the shifter is gonna function on air. So I'm gonna plug this back in and yeah, get ready for pass number 2. Just a little bit. Obviously we dropped the RPM, but the issue's still there. So I'm gonna abandon the air shifting. I'm gonna manually shift it for this season, for the next 2 events that we have going on, because it's not working out. The good news is that the car is actually rolling when it gets going. Obviously we didn't plan on getting out of the hole really fast in this event, because it's not a normal drag race that we go to. We just came here to test because it's cheap, like I said. Really just wanted to test the function of the air shifter. Didn't work out for us, so I'm gonna abandon the air shifting for now, just for the next 2 events, because I got to make sure that those go right. So we're gonna abandon air shifting. I'm gonna manually shift the next 2 events, so that way we can get some fast passes. Good news is we hit a new PB on mile per hour. We've hit a new PB on 60 foot. We've hit a new PB on mile per hour. We're in 180 that round. Now we just need to put everything together so it could go faster. They're just waiting for that quarter mile PB to come up. We're there. We just need to put the 60 foot, the short game together, top in, and then we'll get a new PB out of it, I know for sure. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna abandon the air shifter and we're just gonna try to manually shift. I think the goal for this off season, one of the things I'm gonna look into is possibly switching to a 2-speed turbo 400 to try to eliminate that extra gear that we need to get through, and then we'll revisit the idea of the air shifter, find out if we can get that thing to work how I want it to work. Yeah, we got some work to do for the next event. Like I said, 22nd, if you want to come out on the 22nd here at Houston Raceway Park. Come out, say hi, come see me. I'm going to be there. Solomon's going to be there, Raymond's going to be there, the whole crew. We're going to be out there with Leading Edge Collision in their booth. But yeah, come out, say hi. It should be a fun event. I'm planning on racing someone. Not sure who, but I'm going to race someone that event.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't like being like lunch like that, you know what I mean? The way it's just like, get back to work. Oh no. Are you recording this stuff in our get in the garage and get something done? Is that what it is? Is that what it said? No. What did it say? No. Let's get back to work. Let's get back to work.
That's right.
That's what I did. I want that in slow-mo.